Okay, let me. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'll get out of this trades because it's always not fair if I take a trade before. Yeah, we'll just get out of this trade. Yeah. Sounds good? Yeah, okay, good. So one thing that I wanted to do today, let's see. Let's see if I can do this. Good morning, Irina. Markets are flushing down. Well, let's go. They flushed out and we'll have a positive day today, right? I'm always hoping for positive. This is the smallest I could get to TikTok. Okay, that's fine. Good morning, Brendan. Perfect. So we just has been working on this. So we'll see. No, take all the trades you need. I just try not to be fake. I try not to be like, you pre-take your trade and then you're like, oh, look at me. I know what I'm doing. One thing you guys know, I'm real, all right? So, oopsie, control. Is that the thing? Nope. That wasn't supposed to do. Wait. There you go. There you go. Okay, just as there's an update on the indicator. Okay, so refresh it. Update. You need to update. So how do I update this? Size the panels. Okay. So you only have yours. Okay. Update to latest version, right? Okay. Alrighty, let's do this update. There you go. See, Jess has been working for us. Like for, not for us, it's the wrong way. Sorry. She's been working to help us out. Yeah. Kind of cool, right? So we'll have her indicator. And her indicator, she just wants to share with the team. Just because. All right, so let me back adjust it so you guys can see the volume. There we go. There we go. Okay. Everybody's good. Everybody's good. So top of the hour it's coming. So let's see. I don't know. These markets are. You guys saw the video I sent it out yesterday, right? I mean, like, yeah. Actually, what I'm gonna try to do is to put this one here and this one here. Okay. All right. Yeah, it's just been really hard right now. We have to stay positive, maybe like the more buying opportunities, right? Daniel is joining. Let's see what this top of the hour. I mean, it's not, considering we having a war going on, it's not too bad, but a lot of good companies too has been beat down. Like even Walmart, right? Walmart, like I'm looking at Walmart right now, like it's supposed to be a company that's doing really good when inflation is not doing good and all that. Like everybody shops at Walmart. And even Down is down. Let me see if I could pull up Walmart. Top, we'll watch just right here, but let's see. Look at that. Let's go to 4 hours. Let's see. I just wanted to measure really quick. Let's see. Where's my measuring thingy? 20%. Yeah, Walmart is down 20%. Crazy, no? There goes the top of the hour. There's a little push we have. Okay. That's the push I was like looking for it actually, but I was gonna show you something, but it's okay. I need to get my IT guy on it. Okay. Yeah, so this is the push I was looking for, right? So I got in and they kicked me out and off they go. Off they go. So my goals today is actually to look for better entries. So I think it's been messing with my confidence too, right? Because my entries are usually pretty good, but lately my entries were not as good. And, I know how to get out of the trade. So, but it's not fair for me to keep taking those trades, especially if you guys watching me. So the goal for today is to have better entry. And if it means I have to miss a trade, I'll miss a trade. So that's what I want to promise myself. I talked to Deja yesterday. I don't know if she's listening or not, but I was like, it's messing with my confidence, those entries. I can get out, but that's not how it should be, the trading. So my way, see, like even like so many years later, I still adjust because market's changing, right? So if markets don't change, then we can write an algorithm and trade for us, right? So we have to pivot. So my pivot is that I'll be looking for better entries. Yeah, keep your head up. We learn through all of the trades, through all of your trades. Well, thank you. And that was also like the goal, like in a positive way. Like, I hope you guys see me struggle, which is good because it's a learning thing. And that way you're like, okay, because we all struggle in this, right? And no matter how much we think we know it, right? All right, so what is today's open is at, you guys, around 700. Yep, just is the same thing. So we'll see if it pulls the magnet. So my mindset today is because, so the day before I didn't take any trade, which I was pretty proud of that. And I made you guys not to take any trades. And then I'm gonna sneeze, hold on. There it goes. There you go. So the day before that, we didn't take any trade. Yesterday we got out of the trade. It was a very, very wrong entry, but just because I think probably my experience a little bit helped and me going in small. You all saw me struggle in the trade. We all were singing and praying, right? We got out of the trade. So today, see, I do a lot of reflections too. So I was just thinking I need to pivot a little bit more and tailor my entries a little bit better. And you guys have seen me too, like I've been early to entries where they try to kick me out, but because I go in small, they haven't kicked me out. So me, like they just said, maybe it is a learning experience. So now we actually touching the 400 area. That's the one we bounced off yesterday. Remember when I posted the TQQQ, which is the same thing as in Q, right? Just that, not the same, it's a different product, but the same charts. So we touched that 400 area right now. All right, Deja is saying that paper trading, you've been paper trading since October. Pay for other big Discord. This is the only one that gives me confidence to start. You're a helpful teacher, which is rare. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I try to be real and I want to do longevity for you guys. Like, I just want you guys to last a long time. One person reached out. He helped me actually with when I was creating Discord and all that. He reached out and he says, I'm throwing in the towel. I've been losing too much money. It's too much strain on the family and all that. So I encourage him to come here and all that. He's part of it, but it's really, really hard. So what I want to teach, I guess, is to how to survive and how to last a long time in here. That's the goal. And my personal goal is to have better entries for you guys. Okay, so we're watching the 400 area. This is the 200 as conveniently here. And that's the break I was looking for. I didn't take a screenshot, but yeah. So my entry was around here, right? Around the 400, yeah. So a little bit below 400. And I was waiting for that 400 to break. And it broke 428 right now. So I was gonna start today, but I want to incorporate for you guys bookmap. So it takes a while to learn. So I'll see how I can adjust my screens. That's why I don't want to spend too much time today, but hopefully tomorrow, if not by next week, we'll be incorporating bookmap. Yeah, that's not an easy one. It is easier for me because I see the orders quick, but I don't know if any of you guys traded with bookmap. Usman Ivan, he says, good morning, I'm a trader. You're our best trader. Thank you, Usman. Appreciate it. Mike, good morning. No, R says he hasn't traded with bookmap. So yeah, so I'm trying to set it up where that was part of the thing to get this computer too, so we get to do all that. Okay, but I think Microsoft does not recognize my program. Yeah, it was one. Hi, good morning. I did see your message. Good morning, D Queen. Good morning. We were talking about bookmap, to incorporate bookmap in it. Yeah. So now we're gonna see the push. Good morning. How are you? I'm doing good. Thank you. D Queen, good morning. Winning family. D Queen, I did found articles for all of your babies. We can go over them too. Let's see. I know Jess hit all 3 levels, right? Christosimo followed me. Thank you so much. Usman said I'm a little trader. Well, little, big, small, we all traders, right? Okay. Look at this beautiful push after they kicked me out. I'm free to look at no spying in the office. Yes. No. Yes. So I'm just dropping in to wish you a fabulous morning. I'm heading out to massage this morning. Perfect balance in life, right? We have the balance in life. And if I don't forget to take a screenshot, I'll take a screenshot of the trade. Yeah. There you go. So let's see. Usman, you said that I did tell you that I saw your messages. Thank you so much. I'm streaming right now and I am trying to trade and I'm trying to look at charts and some earnings. So it's really hard to answer your text message right now. Okay. Yeah, we all should schedule massage after we all get payouts. Right. Okay, so the queen, did you post a chart? No, it was just the thesis ASML. Let's look at it really quick. Look at that. The queen, did you see that? Look at that. Yeah, no, that it just I don't, it's not public per se, right? It's all, but look at your chart. Do you see your chart? It's beautiful. This is gorgeous. So all you want to do, all you want to do before the earnings, because I'm not trading I'm just gonna watch out. I see all these charts. Anyways, yeah, your thesis were right. So why did we do the earnings baby? Because you are gonna concentrate on one stocks instead of me I can break it down every single one. That's not a problem. But you're gonna lose interest, right? So my thinking was that I am looking at I don't know if you can see it. I'm looking at where you wrote it down. All that. So what do you want to do before the earnings? Just draw it out. Like you see, like right here, looks good. This one looks good. Like kind of like where you see the touch points. Really, that's all we're looking for. And you don't want to be too greedy, right? We don't want to be like, oh, okay, it's gonna go from here to here, all the way here with so much percentage. That's not what we're looking for. You can measure it out, you move, right? So that's all you're doing. And then you can start with 4 hours. You can go to 1 hour. You see your 200. It's really not like, see, he has all these gaps to fill, all that. And like if you guys want to do next week, we can do it next week. So that whenever is more important, I'll have to check what's next week. But you're just looking for the touch points, you're looking for the gap fills, and if it does go down, where's it gonna go down? What will be the buying opportunities? Okay. Yeah. Yours was a beautiful, beautiful chart. ASML we're talking about. Look at all that push, it's hard to ignore it. I was then here. All right, and the other one that I reported was BlackRock, right? I think today is Netflix. What is the BlackRock? BKL? BKL? What is it? I'm just trying to, nope, BLK? What is it? Yeah, BLK. See, look at that jump. So, D-Queen, if I know you're listening, so if you go to like, see you below 29 shortly, yes. Yeah, we did talk about the 400 level, maybe shortly 29. It's a big stretch, but it's possible. D-Queen, if you look at Jess chart, all she did, I don't know which time frame she used, she just did like a target 1, 2, and 3, and they hit it all, and now she retraced it. And now that's what she's gonna watch. It's like, okay, we traced it big time because it's earnings. That's another thing I want you to look at it, right? So like how it acts out after that. Roger says big stretch. I mean, we'll see, right? So you taught 400 points for NQ. It's not a lot. Definitely it's not, but we already down 200 points. So you're saying it's going to go 400 more points. You're saying it's going to be down 600 points. Possible. Is it possible one day? Of course, anything is possible. If that's what you want to hear, no problem. Okay, so we did that. BlackRock. Was there another one that reported? Was it TSM reported already? Let's see. Okay, I think R did the TSM. Did TSM reported already? No, or is it coming today? I know R always you listen. So did TSA reported? TSM reported or is reporting today? R is typing. Yes, they did it at 2 p.m. TSM already reported. Okay, thank you. TSM already reported. Okay. Yeah, Roger, we did like a little project with the group. Is your earnings baby reported already? So Roger, while R is answering to me, we did a little project in the group where everybody had to choose their earnings baby. We called it earnings baby. So they choose the stock from this week's earnings, and they did a pre-analysis, and then we gonna see how those analysis worked out. Nick, are you gonna stay, Nick, or are you gonna go? I never know with Nick. He comes in, gives me gifts, and leaves. He's a good guy, huh? You'll stay? Okay. So I try to see the push over the 400 right here. Okay. Even if you stay for 30 seconds, I'll be happy. So I don't know what my entry was, but around here I wanted to see to push through it. And I took a little bit, couple points, and now it's going without me. So nothing to show off. Nothing to show off here, so it might be boring for you. Are you streaming today? You misunderstood the project. It's okay. It's our first project, so no big deal. Yeah? You're gonna stream the open, or I know of course you're gonna stream. Sorry, that was the wrong question. So you're gonna stream the open or no? Or you stream more in Asia session? I know you have a lot of views. When I was on your live, you're a popular guy. Yeah, tonight. But you don't do the New York Open, right? Nope. It's been really hard. It's been really hard. It's been hard. So, yep, nothing to show off. I took a little trade, took a little penny, not even enough for my coffee, and it took off. But I was telling that because I took that trade before I streamed, so I kind of wanted to get out because it's not fair that I pre-take the trades and talking about it all. Look at me, how amazing I am. So I'm kind of glad I'm out. Yeah. Or I just said I already bought TSMX. Good. Well, you sold it at this price. So you're good. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, so Art, if your baby didn't report it, you can pre-do your analysis today. Yeah. What do you think, Nick? We're down 240 points. What do you think? Do we have a push up? Because I have the T open. I don't know if you could see my chart. At 700. Yeah. So we'll see. What do you think, Nick? Wait, Nick, send me a shard and a rose. Oh, what do you call this? Big shorts on me, rose. Okay. Yeah, look at that. I'm very popular. I have 12 people in my room. Alrighty. So we do have the retracement that I was looking for. What broker are you using? Broker for what you see on the chart, it is Thinkorswim. Okay. Any questions from the winning team? Everybody's good. Jefferson Rhymes. Yep, we're having a good little push. Let's see. I made a TSM, but doesn't need anything more. So you need to see, we need to put your price targets. You need to put your price targets, or if it's gonna go down, like what do you have to do the company's research to see what the company's doing, how the company's doing, and how you think the report will play out when they report earnings. Are they gonna pull back? Are they gonna go up? And what targets you're looking for? That's the whole project. What broker you use? I did answer that. Thinkorswim. Oh, look at that, the queen. I caught it. I did catch it. Thinkorswim lets you operate with platforms account. I'm like, I'd never heard that, but that'd be amazing because I do trade with Thinkorswim. Is this a pre-market? Yes, this is right now. Yeah. So I'm not upset, obviously, that I got out because I want to take a trade with you guys. But the retracement that I was looking for, it's happening. But it is what it is. Yeah. Let's see what happens today. So you guys see those touch points right here too? That's part of the RSI. You get to see that that's when it kind of bounce off, and this is kind of another way to take a trade, but all right, 8 minutes. Any questions for anybody? Ellie, good morning. Good morning, Ellie. You did not miss much, Ellie. We were just going over the two stocks that I reported already. Yours was, which one was yours, Ellie? I'm scrolling down to see yours. Okay, found it. TSM, yeah. So TSM, it hasn't reported, right? So we don't need to go over that one. Thank you for all the follows. I really appreciate it. It's after close today. Yeah, so we'll go over tomorrow then. Look at that beautiful push. So Illy, I took a long way here, but it was before I started streaming, so I trailed my stop and now I'm out. But and the only other thing is that I don't think Illy was here is that I set a promise for you guys because it also messes with my confidence, right? So I'm going to be working on better entries for you guys, even though I could get out of trades, but it's still not fair for me not to take a good entry. I'm going to leave my screen without me. So the T open is at 700 today. So yeah, see what happens. Yeah, I think my confidence is down when it comes to trading. Yeah, I do see the 600 on the bigger time frame for yep, so there you go. That's just indicator. This is what exactly what I see, Jess. That's really good right here, the 600. This line, I don't know what this line means. You can explain it later, but like this one, I see this magnet for sure. Yep. Alrighty. Any questions before we jump into trading, which is 5 minutes away? What do you think about GTA 6 stock? Let's see. I never heard about it, but we do have a watch list that we try to narrow down to only 1 to 2 a day. It takes 2. What do you mean it takes? I try to look at GTA and it's not coming up on my Thinkorswim. Septinetas, are you Lithuanian? And this is European stock, maybe. Okay, so once again, you guys hear me say that a lot. Conveniently, we're gonna retrace it to where? I'm gonna put an answer for you. Where are we retracing to? Anybody typing? No, no one is typing. Okay. There you go. 400, but also, like, what do you think this one is saying? This one right here.